Hello, this is Shane from Plugged, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a profile, create Supreme tasks, and run Supreme tasks on Plugged iOS. So first you're going to head over to the Profiles tab, and if you have not already created a profile, you're going to want to press the plus in the upper right, input all your details and press save. I already have done so I'm not going to be doing that in this video. Next, you want to create a Supreme task. Head over to the releases page. Each week we upload all the products that are dropping the day before the Supreme drop. Now you want to choose products that you want to run a task for. So for this example, I'm going to choose the studded velvet hooded work jacket. We go ahead and press it. As you can see, I already filled the keywords and the category fields. Next, I'm going to choose the color and the size. I'm also going to choose my profile and my delay. So each week you want to check the Discord server to see what what our recommended delay is. For this season, we've been doing 0 to 1,000, so I'm going to keep it at 800. For CAPTCHA bypass, you always want to make sure that's off. For 3DS bypass, that's for EU users. You want to make sure it's always on. For other regions, it really doesn't matter because it doesn't use it anyways. And cash on delivery, you only want to worry about if you are living in Japan. Number of tasks, I'm going to leave at 1. And quantity should always be 1 unless we state otherwise on our Discord server. We go ahead and press save. Now the task has been added. I'm going to go ahead and press start. It opened up the CAPTCHA solver and solved it as it was a one-click CAPTCHA. It's queued. And it is declined. I am using just a test card right now, so it is supposed to be getting declined. Now, when it comes to starting your task, you're going to want to start your task 60 seconds before the release each week. So let's say it's dropping at 11 a.m. EST. You're going to want to start your task at 10:59 EST. And when you start your task, it will just say finding product, which is completely normal because the products have not dropped yet. Just wait it out. Eventually, when the products drop, your task will start and Plugged will start cooking. I hope you learned how to create a profile, create a Supreme task, and run a Supreme task in Plugged iOS.